landed, got my bag, so I'm about to head home. I'm really tired, so I'm probably not gonna do anything really today. This airport is getting better, it's looking better. This is the New Jersey airport, and sometimes I fly through here even when I'm coming out to New York, just because we have family out here. So the next day we went to this mall called American Dream. I've been here before. If you guys have seen from my previous videos, I actually came to this mall a while back. I love this mall. It's just something about it. As you can see, the scenery. I'm a big scenery guy. Like, I kind of enjoy the view of certain things. It's not just about the stores and what you can buy and all that stuff. I actually like enjoy things like this. So, and they also have this indoor snowboarding part of it, which is really dope. I had initially wanted to try it, but now I'm not so sure. After seeing it a few times, seeing a few people bust their ass, I think I'm kind of straight on that. But yeah, I'll think about it though. It could be some good content for the page. So, but yeah, the next day just went out with some close friends. Just hung out. I believe this was a few weeks before my birthday, so we was just hanging out, trying to celebrate that, chilling. I'm a little lit. I can see it in my eyes already. It doesn't take a lot, 1 or 2 drinks, and I'm feeling it already. So yeah, I could tell. But I think this was the day before I had to leave, so I was just gonna step out real quick to go say what's up to some people in New York. I just had to step out real quick. New York, I miss it. Won't move back, but we'll definitely visit 1,000,001 times. And one thing I love about New York is the fact that I've lived there. So every time I get there, like, just knowing how to move out there is something that I will never take for granted. Like, I appreciate the fact that I got to live out there just to experience it. And like I said, just being free when I'm out there too, just knowing how to move. Because it could be an overwhelming city if you don't know what's going on. But yeah, that was about it. Heading back home, back to the grind, back to the hustle. I really locked in this year in the gym. I try to focus more on my form than any real weightlifting, because once you really get your form like figured out, that's when you're gonna start to see gains. Because when your form is right, that's when you're really doing something. That's when those muscles are actually working. And I've noticed the difference. Even like going down on the weight of like whatever I'm using, like I'll do lighter weights and focus on my form, and the results are they're there for me to see. I know this for a fact, that I've heard it, but it's different when you actually get to experience it, and I've gotten to experience it for sure. Just went out real quick for my birthday. Nothing crazy. Um, I'm more of an intimate person over like really flamboyant, like really doing too much. Like I have certain moments where I will, step out and do stuff, but for the most part, I like to just keep it chill. A meal.
Are you talking in videos?
Not all the time.
Does he talk? Does he talk to y'all?
Yeah, I know I be talking to y'all.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Thank you. Make a wish. Woo! Thank you.
I really enjoyed that, but one thing, that robot was blowing up my spot. Like that shit was really loud. That shit was making it obvious. Like I'm not shy or anything, but I don't really like people in my business like that. So like that shit was making it mad obvious. Like if you notice, the first thing I said was like, "Oh, all that," because that shit was really singing a whole song. And then if you notice, I was also looking at the lady, was saying thank you. Like in my head, I'm like, "Yo, get this shit out of here!" Like enough. But yeah, it was nice. It was nice. And then that lady had that tambourine in her hand. I just realized that too. So like that whole situation was just really loud. Like I appreciated it, but I was just like, all right. Wrap it up. Happy birthday. I get it. Thank you. Like let's quiet down. I'm just trying to eat. So yeah, it was nice though. All right, guys. So it's been a long week, a long month. It's been a lot going on. I'm about to be the big 3-0. So I ain't really doing it big, but I'm just going to um I will just appreciate life and just reminisce on 30 years of life. Just really take the time to really think about what that really means. What it's meant so far, what that means going forward. Just really think about that next level for me, and what it looks like, and start to aim higher, grow, and be appreciative of where I'm at in life. Because I'm in a very happy state. Love what I'm doing, and I just want to keep doing more. So I'll gladly take you guys with me on the journey, and you guys will see what's really going on with me. So yeah,